In this gripping story, Israeli strikes and gunfire have killed at least 38 people across Gaza. As international pressure grows for a ceasefire, but Israel's leader remains defiant about continuing the war. Health officials reported attacks in central and northern Gaza, including 9 victims from the same family in the Nuseirat refugee camp. These incidents occurred hours after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu condemned Hamas's continued operations at the UN General Assembly, where delegates walked out en masse as he spoke. International leaders expressed growing concern over the escalation, while Israel's isolation deepened as many countries now recognize Palestinian statehood, something Israel opposes. Countries are lobbying the U.S. President Donald Trump to push for a ceasefire, with Trump claiming U.S. efforts are close to ending Gaza's fighting and returning hostages. Meanwhile, talks between Israel and regional leaders are set for Monday, with Trump stating discussions are ongoing. Yet Israel continues its military campaign in Gaza City, facing famine and displacement. More than 300,000 people have fled, but more than 700,000 remain, many due to economic hardship. Strikers in Gaza City's Tufa neighborhood killed 11 people, including women and children, while an airstrike also claimed 4 others. Palestinians in southern and central Gaza were targeted, with 6 killed by Israeli forces seeking aid. Israel's army did not respond immediately. Hospitals and clinics in Gaza City are on the brink of collapse, with nearly 2 weeks of attacks causing widespread destruction. 2 clinics and 2 hospitals have been destroyed, leaving only a few doctors and nurses to care for patients in makeshift shelters. Aid group Doctors Without Borders warned of increased risks to staff as Israeli tanks approach their facilities. The food situation in the north has worsened, with Israel halting aid deliveries since September 12th and rejecting UN requests for supplies from southern Gaza. The Gaza Health Ministry reports over 65,000 deaths and 167,000 injuries, with civilians making up half of fatalities. Israel's campaign was triggered when Hamas-led militants stormed into Israel on October 7th, killing around 1,200 and taking 251 captives. The UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs emphasizes the escalating risks.